Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from displacement thickness. As per the given question, the velocity profile inside the boundary layer for flow over a flat plate is given by u by u infinity equal to sine pi by 2 into y by del, where u infinity is the free stream velocity and del is the boundary layer thickness. There is the local boundary layer thickness. If delta star is the local displacement thickness, find the value of delta star by delta. Okay, so what is given here, I will write velocity profile inside the boundary layer over a flat plate is given by u by u infinity equal to sine pi by 2 into y by del, and u infinity is the free stream velocity and del is the local boundary layer thickness. If delta star is the displacement thickness, find the value of delta star by delta. Okay, so first of all we will find the delta star. So what is the formula of delta star displacement thickness? Delta star formula is there, definitely 0 to del 1 minus u by u infinity into dy. This is the formula you have to know definitely. So 0 to del 1 minus u by infinity is given in the question. Substitute the value sine pi by 2 into y by del. So this is given in the question into dy. So I can write here definitely, if you integrate, you will be getting for the first term y, dy integration y 0 to del minus I will write sine theta. Sine theta integration is minus cos theta. So minus plus cos pi by 2 y by del. So limit will be 0 to del divided by pi by 2 del divided by pi by 2 del, that is the coefficient. So sine theta differentiation is minus cos theta. So minus plus I have already mentioned 0 to del. Now put the limit for 0 to del. For y it is del minus 0, that is del plus. In this cos theta, if you are going to put del by del is 1, cos 90 is 0. You will be getting 0. So 2 del by pi I will write. In the bracket it is 0 coming minus, if you put in place of y, if you put 0, cos 0 is 1. So I am getting this one. So del minus of 2 del by pi. But what is the question? You have to find delta star by delta. So I can write definitely 1 minus 2 by pi as the final answer. 1 minus 2 by pi as the final answer. So which option is correct? Option B is right. Okay. 1 minus 2 by pi is the right answer. Okay. Thank you.